How to fix Snapchat notifications. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can fix notifications issues on your Snapchat app. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now it really depends on what kind of notification issues you're having. For example, we will leave all of the do not disturb mode and everything aside, and there could only be one likely reason why you've not been receiving the notification. That is because you have simply turned off notifications, or you have actually disabled notification access for the Snapchat app. So in order to fix that, first things first, we will go ahead and then simply open up settings. Once you open up settings, we want to go ahead and then look for notifications and then tap on it. As soon as you tap on notifications, over here on the list of all these applications, you want to simply look for Snapchat. So right over here you can see Snapchat, and you want to make sure that the toggle right next to Snapchat is turned on. If it is turned on, it is going to be highlighted in blue, and if it is turned off, it is going to be grayed out. You could also tap on Snapchat app and you could customize all of the notification categories accordingly. For example, tap on Snapchat and select notification categories. You can see all notifications, audible notifications, quiet notifications, or silent notifications. You can also see the messaging notifications such as best friend messages, snaps and chats, quiet notifications, or silent notifications. Now on most devices, especially on Android, you have the option to actually customize the notifications within the settings app, or else what you could also do is you could also likely find the option right within the Snapchat app. So go ahead and open up Snapchat, tap on a Bitmoji profile on the top left, and tap on the settings or the gear icon on the top right corner. Over here you want to simply go ahead and then look for notifications and make sure that the enable notifications button is turned on, and most likely this would also fix your issue. If not, I would also recommend you to check if you've enabled any type of notification blocking third-party ads. You could have also turned on focus mode, which basically means the do not disturb mode, so go ahead and verify that as well. And once you've verified all of the steps, hopefully one of these solutions would have definitely solved your problem. If it did help you in either way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.